My name is Jordan Dolgan. I'm a corporate lawyer in Toronto. I've been practicing law for over 25 years. And our firm, Dolgan Professional Corporation, provides a range of services to our corporate clients, including helping them start, grow, and sell their businesses. I would say our main concerns were we didn't know what we didn't know. We were monitoring cyber issues globally and in our industry, for many years. Our firm started approximately 2009. Prior to that, I was with other firms. And I won't say that cyber issues weren't around in 2009 when we started. They clearly were, but as a new business, we were, prudent about where we spent money, and we didn't really perceive that there were cyber issues, in our part of the legal industry. Our law society would give us updates regularly about cyber issues, particularly when it came to real estate transactions, but not practicing real estate law. We, erroneously just assumed that, we weren't targets. And as time went on, we realized that we were, and we had friends and colleagues at other firms that, were the victims of a variety of cyber issues. We had a few small cyber issues of our own. And it was at that point that we realized that although we had solid IT support, we realized that our IT provider, was not expert on the cyber side, and that the cyber core competencies were very specialized. And at that point, we realized we needed to source cyber support directly to work with our IT guys and protect us from cyber vulnerability. The fit with Armour was evident almost immediately through a referral. We had an initial discussion with the principals of Armour, and they pretty quickly, after asking a number of questions about our environment and how it was set up and the nature of our business, they figured out pretty quickly where our vulnerabilities were, and we're in a position very quickly to recommend a number of solutions, which we've subsequently implemented. And the whole implementation setup process with Armour and our IT guys, was fairly seamless, and and now it's working, and it's wonderful, because as those products, they're the kind of products that they're working because you will get notices and warnings and emails, as opposed to assuming that somehow it's working behind the scenes. You actually have hard evidence, that your environment's being protected, because on a daily basis you're getting alerts from third parties that in fact there was a phishing attack that got blocked, or some other issue that's been intercepted. So that's huge peace of mind for me. The reason we decided to go with Armour, I think, is the same reason why our clients choose us. It's all about personal relationships. I mean, the expertise was there, the quality was there, the access to products were there, so they checked all the boxes on the basic. But at the end of the day, the decision to choose a supplier like Armour, which is a long-term relationship, it's not project-based. We knew that we had to pick someone that we would be working for with years, and we had to work with them and their staff. And the personal fit was there. It's a very personal relationship. When we have issues, which are infrequent, but when they do arise, the response time is immediate, and we've got access right to the top, which is important for me, because my clients have access to me, and I want to have access to, the ultimate owners and principals. And for those reasons, Armour checked all the boxes. The peace of mind from using Armour, is really immeasurable. I understand the idea of selling peace of mind. We do similar things for our clients in our business, but before, when we didn't have access to, and we're not using cyber expertise, the old saying, hope is not a strategy. Well, we were living with hope, and if nothing happened, we we had this false sense of security that we were okay. Now I know we're okay. There's the difference. Number one, you know, you're never too small to need support. And the nice thing about Armour for a small business is that, you know, we find them affordable and they check all the boxes, and we don't feel like we're dealing with a giant firm that treats us as if we're not an important client. We feel like we're a very important client, which obviously is wonderful. But everyone's potentially a target, so don't assume that you're not vulnerable. And as much as you may choose to read and educate yourself on cyber issues and the technology and the different techniques and what the bad guys do to get to you, you know, it's not your expertise. Having the education is great, but at the end of the day, if you're not doing it 24/7 every day, you need support.